In this video, we will show you how to add DoorDash to CarPlay. If you guys want to get started with DoorDash, you can use the links down in the description. First, ensure your iPhone is running iOS 14 or later and your vehicle supports Apple CarPlay. Now, download or update the Dasher app from the App Store to the latest version. Next, connect your iPhone to your car using USB cable or Bluetooth, depending on your vehicle's capabilities. On your iPhone, navigate to Settings, click General, go to CarPlay, and then select your car from the list. In the CarPlay settings, ensure the Dasher app is enabled and appear in your CarPlay layout. If the Dasher app doesn't appear, open the app on your iPhone to prompt CarPlay recognition. Once connected, the Dasher app's navigation interface should display on your car screen. Finally, use the on-screen prompts to accept deliveries and navigate to destinations seamlessly. So that's how to add DoorDash to CarPlay. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with DoorDash. If this video is helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.